I felt like I needed to save this house. Part of it was built in the 30s and part of it was built in the 50s. And so it was really important to me to help this home kind of have a rebirth and find a new identity. Having the new sheer shades added really created such a beautiful, unified look. I've always looked at blinds as being white, but I really wanted the sheers to be able to kind of blend with the windows versus the walls. The addition of new window coverings has provided so much more functionality to this house. This awesome angled window behind me is all single pane glass. All that glass is beautiful, but it also lets in a ton of light and can sometimes let in a ton of heat. And so by having an insulating blind, that helps to create more energy efficiency within our home. Motorization of the blinds provided so much convenience. We're able to open and close them with our phones, with the remote, and really embrace that natural light coming through. Plus, all of our pets love it because we're able to also keep them open just enough so they can look out the window and see everything passing by. Having the element of the sheer shades from SelectBlinds really just made such an impact on creating that transformation and really finishing the overall design aesthetic for this home.